In this video, we'll show you why it's important that you try your best and always aim for 80% on your Reading Plus lessons. Each time you read a story, make sure you are concentrating and answering the questions carefully. After each lesson you complete, you are given a score. This tells you how well you have read and understood the story. Aim for an 80% score on each lesson. There are a couple of things that can help you reach that 80% score. Firstly, you can use your rereads. Every time you see a reread button when you are answering your questions, click on it. This will help you find the correct answer. Make sure you use all of your rereads during every lesson. You can also slow down or increase the speed of your guided window if you think it is moving too fast or too slow. Just use the slider tool at the end of the lesson to change the speed for next time. It's important that you complete all of your weekly lessons. Keep checking your dashboard to see how many lessons you have completed. Your teacher will be able to see how many lessons you have completed every week. So remember, aim for 80%, use your rereads, adjust your speed if you need to, and complete all of your weekly lessons.